Hello, friends. This is your host at Trade at Levels, and I welcome you all once again. Before we begin, just one request. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Well, the topic for today is Market Weekly View, and we shall see how shall the markets behave between 7th September and 11th September. Let us do a quick recap of how the markets behaved in the last week. Week over week, total by now, markets have gone down by 314 points. I'm referring to Nifty. On a weekly basis, Nifty charts have formed a bearish candlestick pattern called bearish engulfing. This week, Nifty has closed at 11,333. It also broke the low of 11,325, which was the low of a significant candle, and then closed at 11,333, which definitely indicates that the sentiments are negative. Considering the weekly option chain, the range which can be seen is from 11,000 to 11,500. All have a question in mind: will the markets, kind of crash or correct from here? Well, markets have had a run from 7,500 to 11,800 in a very short span of time. So a technical correction or profit booking cannot be ruled out. Also, many fundamental factors have come up, like India's GDP, which has shrunk by 23.9%, the Supreme Court verdict on the moratorium, the AGR hearing, and also the IIP and the inflation data, which is expected soon in the coming week. Well, there's a difference between correction and crash. Markets crashed to 7,500 and all are worried if the markets will be revisiting those levels. Well, let us not speculate on what levels shall come up and go by charts and what they have to say. As a friend, and not get kind of worried as to will the markets crash or will the markets be kind of moving up from here? Because as our friend Gabbar Singh used to say, "Jo dar gaya, so mar gaya." Moving on to the next slide, we have the Nifty chart from a monthly viewpoint. If we notice, after the month of March, in any of the months, the markets have not closed in red. Markets have given a very good comeback, like Fata poster Nikla Hero. The current candle, which is appearing in red, it's only because it's for the first week of the month and not for the entire month of September. So basically, April, May, June, July, and August, the markets have kind of closed in green. In the previous month, if we see, that is for the month of August, the selling has kind of come in from the top, and it's formed a candlestick pattern called shooting star. Let us now see what the charts have to say on a weekly basis. On the Nifty chart from a weekly viewpoint, it kind of gives us a cautious view because it's formed a candlestick pattern called bearish engulfing, and that too on the top. Before the fall due to COVID, markets were at the same levels and correction started from there. So a correction can be expected from here too. Well, if a correction comes in, then what can be the levels? On the screen, I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement, and seeing that, we can see a level of 10,800 which can come in case the markets correct significantly from here. Having said that, let's also analyze Nifty from a daily viewpoint, from a daily chart. As we can see on the screen, on the daily basis too, Nifty has given us two consecutive red candles, which is a negative sign. Seeing the chart, if we break 11,300, then we can see the next level as 11,154. And if we break 11,000, then markets might correct up to 10,800, as we saw, from the Fibonacci, retracement level from a Nifty weekly chart view. In the short term, I anticipate, the markets to kind of go down from a technical viewpoint only if they break the low of Friday, which is a very important factor. The view stands negated if the markets in the next 2 days that is on Monday and Tuesday, fill the gap that which they kind of formed on Friday as per the gap theory. So basically, to conclude, on a daily basis, if the markets go above 11,459, then the correction might not come in. But if they break the low of Friday, that is 11,303, then the markets might correct. So on Monday, from an intraday viewpoint, buying is advisable from above 11,359 and selling is advisable below 11,326. Let us now have a look at the Bank Nifty daily chart. It has also made a gap and given a gap down, as can be seen on the chart. That is on Friday. The level at which it had given a breakout, that is 23,250, it has again retested that level. As per the channel which can be seen on the screen, in case of a correction, Bank Nifty can come down to 22,594. If it breaks the channel, then a downward momentum can come in and Bank Nifty can come down to 22,043. Please make a note, friends, 21,000 is a very important level for Bank Nifty and it should not break that level. If Bank Nifty breaks Friday's low of 22,876, then only a selling can come in. As regards the intraday levels for 7th September, buying would be advisable only about 23,210 and selling would be advisable only below 22,876. Please note down these levels carefully. Having said that, friends, I once again reiterate the views based, the levels and the views shared on this channel are totally for educational purpose.